Fourth set action, 16-5, and glad of you to join us here as we see this, sabi nga nila, preview to the finals. Ian Laurel with Coach Ronnie Magsanok and Andre Mulya in here at the Ninoy Aquino Stadium. 16-6, nakapuntos ng isa itong Philippine Army, but 10 points ang kailangan.
Masyado mabigat. Masyado mabigat.
Possible, but really, it's gonna be a tough climb against this Sandugo squad who, yeah, sinasabi natin, parang ngayon pa lang nag-iinit.
Warm up. Possible, but highly improbable with the way things are going.
Zane Roses getting ready to serve Mikasa, the official ball of the Shakey's V-League. Jovelin with a good reception. Angela gets called for a net violation.
Rachel yung naging missing link sa offense ng Lady Troopers. She had 2 very good sets, but in the third, all the way here to the fourth, nahirapan siya pumuntos.
Yeah. Then safely over. Hiningi ni Jack. Kept alive by Jang. Nene. Oh, ganda ng depensa. From the back row. Ganda sana nung play, but Jang Buli apologizing to Ruby. Alam niya na maganda yung set. Hindi lang niya na i-convert at na ipasok. Oh! Service ace for Rachel. Teka. Mukhang gusto pang habulin itong Philippine Army. 9-17.
At napatayo na si Coach Roger Rayat dito.
Alam niya eh.
Hindi ka pwedeng kumumpiyansa dahil hindi pa naman sila lamang. Sila pa rin ang naghahabol dito. Down pa sila ng isang set.
Oh, that was a good setup job for Nen Utaywan from Ruby De Leon.
At sa tagal-tagal ko nagko-cover sa bilig, ngayon ko lang nakitang ng liit si Bonnie at si Nene Bautista.
Kala ko
ang laki, no?
Imposing presence in the middle. Oh, nice save from Jill. Tingnan natin kung may babalik, and they do. Tingnan natin ang gagawing play ni Tina Salak. Lifting violation. Yes.
Parang gentle giant itong si Taiwan, no? Laging nakatawa.
Exactly, Coach Ron. Kaya
ganda ng personality.
Love siya ng fans eh. Kasi nakangiti parate.
Hindi ko pag nagalit siya tatawanan ka lang. You, ha?
Ayoko siya madami. 19 serving Ken. Lumalayo na eh. Masyado ng malayo. Hirap habulin talaga.
Bihira naman yung 10-point run kang makikita.
Yeah, tulad yan. Oo, napaka-bihirang makita ngayon. And Ruby De Leon right now, making it look very, very easy.
And I think she is in firm control of how things have gone for Sandugo. The large reason why they have been able to make a huge comeback.
Oh, nice defense by Suzanne. Jack Alarca gets it past the double block of Jang and Nin.
Gentle reminder coming from Coach Roger Gurayat. Dito kay Utaywan. Mahirap din pagkakita niyan. Di ba, no?
Mahirap talaga.
Mahirap.
Baka isang tingin lang ni Utaywan.
Tama. You're right.
Jovelin. Oh, ang ganda nung habol ng block ni Yongko on Jeng Buli. Another long rally. They go back to Jang. Oh, si Ruby na yung pamalo. And the crowd appreciating that move from Ruby. Oh! Apo na puntos from Bunat.
Ang nakita kong nakapagod doon si Utaywan. Bakit?
Panay ang pass ka.
Gusto pumalo.
Hindi nabigyan.
Nginitihan si Ruby, wala. Nginitihan si John Bolly, wala. Nginitihan si Ruby, wala. Pero pumunto sila.
Pero pumunta
Ayos
sila.
na rin. Oo.
Oo, walang problema
No
doon.
problem.
Poor reception from Jack. Oh, 2 touches called on Yonko.
They're trying too hard. No, hindi mo na makuha yung natural rhythm mo. Nawalan sila ng pupuntahan ng nabakante dahil nasaktan itong si Michelle Carolino at it has crumbled para
Yes.
dito sa Lady Troopers.
Shakey's, if it's fun, family pizza, it's got to be Shakey's. And then with the serve. Oh, yung reception talaga ng Army, nawala din kasi.
Naapektuhan talaga yung mindset nila eh.
Good save by Jack. They go Dahlia Cruz straight into the net. Of course, he's called off the bench. And itong fourth set seems to be going to San Sebastian. And just like the first match, it's going to be a 5-setter. Ayan. Nakapuntos na naman itong Sandugo. Set point.
Set point. Advantage. And the time for the serve.
Then with a good floater to Jack Alarca. Ngiti pa rin eh.
The longest smile. Kasi si Palma ang sweetest smile.
Longest smile belongs
Longest
to
smile.
Taiwan.
Yes.
Suzanne Roses gets the point. Extends this match to a 5th and deciding set. After being down by 2 sets, itong Sandugo San Sebastian recovering. In the 3rd and the 4th, here's our shaky shake and play.
Ruby De Leon, too good for today. Suzanne Roses will write the final chapter
Ayun.
in the 4th set.
We'll be right back for the 5th after the short break.